This next one is one of my favorites because I like jerk chicken, and Jamaicans put together a really good variety of herbs and spices that make the Jamaican jerky really a good flavor. But again, we want to use 8 pounds of the venison and lean beef, 6 teaspoons of sugar, 6 teaspoons of salt, and that's the table grind, 2 teaspoons curing salt, 3 teaspoons ground ginger, 3 teaspoons allspice, 3 teaspoons brown mustard seed, 3 teaspoons ground coriander, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons anise seed, 6 teaspoons lime juice, 5 cups of water, and to spice it up a little bit, 1 teaspoon of ground habanero chili powder.